How to fix your Snapchat video sound is not working. Hello everyone and welcome back. So let's get started with the steps or the troubleshooting methods. First of all, you need to open your Snapchat and log in with the credentials. Once that is done, tap on the Bitmoji which is present on the top left. Once you tap on it, you have to next tap on the settings. It is present on the top right corner as a gear icon. Once you tap on it, you land to another page, scroll down until you find the option of notifications. From here, you have to make sure all of these options are ticked, especially with the options such as sound. Once that is done, you can now check if it is working or not. If it's not, let's move on to method 2. For this, long press the Snapchat app and go to app info. Once it is opened, tap on the permission list. On the permission list, you have to make sure the permissions are given for the camera, microphone, as well as photos and videos. Sometimes, not allowing permission to these applications might cause the error. So once this is also checked, let's move on to the next step. For this, what you have to do is clear all the applications that are on the recent apps. After this, you can restart your device and try to access Snapchat video again. And this should probably fix the issue. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.